Hypersonic means speed at least 5 times faster than speed of sound. What if hypersonic missiles with a nuke inside the capsule hit a city? Can we survive a hit, or is there enough time to run for the shelter? Welcome to our YouTube channel. We tell you the latest news and facts on the move. To get your daily updates, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hypersonic missiles the size of a flagpole can reach a city 10 to 25 minutes to its trajectory. These missiles can be launched from sea, land, or air. One fighter jet can carry at least 2 hypersonic missiles. Submarines can carry 10 to 15 missiles and can launch miles away to its target. Countries has the most advanced hypersonic missiles in the planet: United States of America, Russia, and China. When a hypersonic missile reaches a city with a nuke attached to its capsule, people wouldn't even notice the object flying above their heads. The devastation will be catastrophic and you will not be able to run for a nuclear shelter. Hypersonic missiles are the most advanced military weapon of this century. Currently, there are no technologies can counter these missiles. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel.